How to fix WhatsApp update issue on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp update issue on Android phone. First, open settings and then scroll down until you find apps, and then apps again, and now just click this one, WhatsApp, and then click storage, and now just click this one here, clear cache, and go to permissions, enable all of those permissions here, and then go to Play Store and try again, click update, and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and don't forget subscribe. And if that doesn't fix your problem, you can just go to apps and then apps again and go to Play Store. Click Google Play, and here we'll find Google Play Store, and then click storage and clear cache, and then go back and try again, and your problem must be fixed. And see you in the next video.